noise at night, no streetlight glare. Only fire in the salt-thick air. The speakers throb, the shoreline glows, and something moves where the ocean flows. Feet in sand, eyes on flame, names forgotten, beats remain. The stars rearrange with a subtle hum. Behind the moon they start to come. They glide like smoke, they breathe like wind. No faces shown, no origin. Drawn to rhythm, drawn to heat. They enter circles where the dancers meet. No fear in us, no threat in them. Just bass like blood and bone like zen. The drums, the sea, the burning pine. They move with us outside of time. Sound, they gave us light. We shared the sky, split the night. Through neon fog and fractal waves, we raved as kin, not as the brave. Oiso Burns with holy sound. As satellites spun underground, they did not conquer, did not command. They only danced and touched the land. And when the sun began to rise, they vanished clean into the tides, but left behind